Cristo sandwich, which is French toast sandwich with ham and cheese. I have some ham and cheese in my fridge, but those are a bit different from what people use for Monte Cristo. You're cooking it for yourself or whoever people around you, right? So use whatever you have in your fridge. Don't waste your food. That's all money. But don't forget that you're still using basic elements. And just give it a little tweak on your food. Okay, main ingredient. 4 slices of white bread, 6 slices of cheddar cheese. Usually people are using Gruyere cheese, Swiss cheese, but I'm using this. 6 slices of ham. Any lean ham is okay. Some people are using turkey ham as well. Around 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, and I have a mustard mayo. I just mixed 1 tablespoon of mustard and 2 tablespoons of mayo. For the egg mixture, I need 2 eggs, and I need 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper. Okay, mix them well together. First of all, I'm gonna cut those hams into half. And I have 4 slices of white bread over here. And this one is mustard mayo. I'm gonna spread this on bread on one side. And I'm gonna put cheese on. Three slices each. And ham. And I'm gonna flip this over, spread side bottom. And this is most important thing today, that you press your sandwich with your hand. Give it enough pressure on both sides. And now spread soft butter on each side of sandwich. The other side. Okay, set your pan on medium-low heat, and I'm gonna put some butter, and also a little bit of oil. Oil keeps the butter from the burning. And here I have an egg mixture. Dip your sandwiches, turn it over, and make sure you cover everywhere with the egg mixture. And slowly put the sandwich on the pan. So keep rotating your sandwich and cook it until golden brown. Okay, I think it's almost ready. So I'm taking those out. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna cut them into half first. Wow, look at this. Amazing. And I'm going to put some powdered sugar on the top. And some people are using preserved fruit, but I have a strawberry jam in my fridge, so why not? I'm using it. Okay, I've got some cherries for the decoration, whatever. I'm gonna pick this one up. Cheese are melted over here. Amazing. So I'm gonna dip this one into the strawberry jam and have a bite. This is so good. I really love it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video today. Please like and subscribe for next videos. For you, ciao. So you got this egg mixture left over, right? So I don't want to waste it. I'm just gonna cook it. Yeah, you can just put it on the side and have it with your sandwich.